Hello everyone, I am Gitika Datta from DAV Sector 14 Gurugram. I am giving you a presentation on screencasting using AZ Recorder. Now in this crucial time of COVID-19, when the schools are closed, screencasting can be a very useful tool for sharing whatever we want to do with our students so that the things are very clear to them. We need to be satisfied as teachers. We need to feel that whatever we want to give to our students, whatever we want our students to learn from us, it should be very clear. So at times, when it becomes difficult for us to ensure that things are clear to us, to the students, the screencasting is a very useful tool. Now, objectives of this session are we'll be telling you what is screencasting, the benefits of screencasting, the different software apps for screencasting, and how to use the AZ Recorder screencasting software. Now, what is screencasting? If you think it of in terms of the word screencasting means casting your screen. That means sharing your screen, whatever you want to give to your students, whatever you want to present to your students, that is going in the form of video to your friends, to your students. A screencast is a digital recording of computer or phone screen output, also known as video screen capture or a screen recording. It often contains audio narration. The benefits of screencasting. Screencasting is very useful for online teachings. Teachers can pre-record their lessons so that students can learn at home with least possible chances of on-screen errors. Now, when you are teaching, at times we make mistakes and it becomes embarrassing for the teachers. So it's very human. Mistakes are okay, but still, as a teacher, we always want to get into this embarrassing situation when we make mistakes in front of the students. So it is always better to record our lesson and send to the students beforehand. The screencast gives students a combined audio-visual learning environment. Now we all know that visual learning is the best form of learning. So if the students are learning by seeing, if a movie is running in front of them, definitely it's going to have a better impact than just the audio sessions, just the PPT, or just the textbook. Definitely the video plays a very vital role in making the students understand better. So this is especially useful for those who learn best through seeing rather than hearing or reading. With screencasts, student becomes more proactive. They can learn at their own pace, watch, pause, or replay videos whenever they want. If something we are telling them at times it is not clear to them, they can easily rewind the video. Some portion which they followed, they can skip it off, they can move ahead with it. If they want to rewatch the thing, they can do that. They can slow it up. At their own pace, they can learn. Also, we are getting appreciation from teachers also. The parents don't need to sit with them because children had this thing in mind कि हमारी मैम ने हमें ये समझाया था. So at times they forget what the teachers had told, so they keep on troubling their parents. So the parents feel it's a very nice way wherein the teachers are almost 24 by 7 available to the students. They can see the teachers, they can hear them whenever they want to hear. Now there are various softwares for screencasting. We have the A Powers recorder, A Power Soft recorder, this Ice Cream recorder, DU Screen recorder, TechSmith Camtasia, and the AZ Screen recorder. Today we'll be doing what? We'll be doing this AZ Screen recorder. This is what we'll be doing today. The link for downloading the AZ recorder, it is a very simple thing. Just type AZ Screen recorder and you will see what? You will see this window, AZ Screen recorder. You can see it here. This AZ Screen recorder, video recorder. You have to just install it here. And what do you get? You get this AZ Screen recorder live stream and it can be installed very easily. Now, once this is installed, once it is downloaded completely, you install, you see it is being installed here and you are getting ready for it. Once it is installed, it's going to ask certain permissions. You have to allow them. It's a safe app. It's not a problem. And once it's done, this window appears on your screen. This square of orange color with the video camera on it, the AZ screen recorder symbol, this appears on your home screen of your mobiles. Now here on clicking this, you will get these 5 buttons that show you. I'll show you what each one of them signifies. The first one, this one is for record. The second one, the videos and settings. Third one is the recording toolbox, and the fourth one is for the live recording. I think it is clear. You can also use the notification panel. See here, you can also use the notification panel to control the recording. The settings. Keep in mind that recording audio is very important. So when you click on the settings button, I'll just show it to you. Where was the settings button? When you had clicked on this camera, this is the setting button. This white circle with the blue dots, this with the orange 4 dots is the setting button. So you click on this and you reach here on the settings. Now these settings, just ensure that this record audio option is on. If it is not on, then only your pictures will come and your video will be without the audio. So ensure that this record audio button is on. Also, see here, so I have just switched it on. This is red over here. Then what more do you have? Countdown and the brush. If you see here, the countdown, when you scroll it down, you see this countdown. So bada acha lagta hai when it is like 3, 2, 1 and the countdown, and then you get time to get ready for the video. You can see the settings and everything is fine, and then you can start the video. Also, this brush option, if you see here, this brush, if you switch it on, you see this toolbar here. Now with this, I can do any annotations. If you see this red circle that was done using this brush only. The brush has to be switched on. Next is hide the recording window during recording. That is up to you. But when it's hidden, then you do not get to see that whether it is being recorded or not. So I generally let it remain there. Hardly matters if you see the small red over here. It hardly makes a difference. So once all the settings are done, you go back to the window and you're going to click on this top one, the start button. And what do you get? The video, it's going to ask that the DU AZ recorder will start capturing everything that's displayed on your screen. Whatever you speak, that is going to be recorded. And you can say, just click here on start now, and it is all ready to be recorded. Now, what do you expect is going to happen? The countdown will be there. So let's all together count 3, 2, 1, and we are ready for the recording. Now, once we need to record, please ensure whatever you need to record should be present on this same screen so that you don't need to go anywhere. Just click on this PowerPoint, get onto the slideshow, and you can start recording. After the recording finishes, just ensure that you again click on this button here and you get this. You can stop the recording. Once it is stopped, you can see that go again back here to the settings place, and you can see this, go here to the AZ recorder and you reach to this window. You can see here you see the video that was recorded is already here. You can directly share it if you find it is okay. If not, you can always edit it. You can rename it. You can delete it. That is up to you, whatever you want to do. So if I go there, let's run the recording and see. So I am just making a few changes in it. See here, I need to rename it. I just click here and I rename it. So to rename it, I rename it as trigonometry. I can edit it also. To edit it, what do I get? I am renamed it as trigonometry. I again try to edit it. To edit it, if I feel that something extra has been recorded, I can always trim it here. See here, the trim button, you can trim it here. So you decide how much till where do you want to trim, and you can trim the video, and whatever is the extra portion that you had recorded maybe beforehand, that gets deleted. So after the moment it is done, it gets exported and your video is ready to be shared. So that is all what is required to do the screencasting work using AZ Recorder. It's a very simple tool. I have been using it. There are videos that I have been recording using the AZ Recorder. You can visit to my channel at Gitika. You can visit to my channel and you can see that it is there. The video is recorded using the AZ Recorder or using the DU Recorder. There are many videos that have been uploaded. So thank you so much. I hope you are going to use this app. It is easy to use and it is a very useful app. Thank you so much.